guys, and welcome to another unboxing video on my channel. As you already probably understood, I really love purses and I love unboxing them together with you. So my last unboxing video was Guess bag, Guess shoulder bag, and it was such an amazing bag, so I decided to order one more Guess bag, and it arrived again yesterday evening because I have a premium Zalando delivery. I am paying 15 euros per year, and I can get my delivery in the evening of the next day or sometimes even on the same day, which is amazing, right? So it arrived yesterday. I decided not to unbox it without you, so we can do it together as we did last time. So here is the purse. It came in a huge box, and let's unbox it. I can't wait. So this time purse packed so good. As you see, so many layers, and it's stuffed so much inside. Oh wow, even here. So inside, as always, you have this Guess bag to store our purse inside. So yeah, very nice that they always provide it. And as you see, bag is quite big. You can compare it to my size, you see. And material actually is nice. I expected it would be worse. It cost around 120 euros. Let's unbox it fully and see how is it inside, okay? As you see, there were so many stuff inside the bag, and once I emptied the bag, I can say it's such a huge bag. I think it can easily fit my head. Okay, just trust me, let's don't do it here. But yeah, I think it even can fit a laptop. And inside it's a one big pocket, okay? And we have this branded Guess material inside, and from one side we have this big pocket with a zipper, and from another side two pockets for card and one more pocket, I don't know for what. And this time bendings is actually also quite good. It's this whitish golden material, and the straps of a bag also quite thick. Unfortunately, they're not adjustable. This is how they are, but it's quite comfy to wear it on shoulder, I can say. And yeah, if you love logos, here we have a huge name Guess, so everyone will know, because you know this model of bag looks a bit tricky. You know, some people may say it just look like a bag from a supermarket, but you know, fashion is fashion. This is what trendy right now, and since so many people are buying it, I think so many people do like this model, right? This one, no one will tell you that it's supermarket bag, because here we have a huge name Guess and logos of Guess all over, and people who understand in fashion will for sure appreciate your choice. And yeah, actually the bag is quite big. Material is nice. From down we have this metal thingy, so when you put your bag, it's protected and it doesn't scratch the bottom of your bag. So I think it's also quite good choice, and they have plenty different models. If you are interested, I think you should check Guess. By the way, write me please down in comments where you're from. I'm really interested from where people are watching my videos. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope I answered all your questions, and if you were thinking to purchase such bag, now you know what to expect, what is the size, what is the quality. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. I am really glad you opened it and stay till the end. Please check out my channel and stay for more. See you next time. Bye bye.